welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, we are comparing the Louis Vuitton extra small Keepall with the Nano Speedies. In any interest to you, please stay tuned. Stay here so we can have conversations about these two bags. If you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. It's free, and just go ahead and join the family because we are very lit, positive, and we have so much fun and conversation around designer items. So if you want to be in on the conversation, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also give this video a thumbs up while you're at it, and also turn on your bell's notifications so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Speaking of subscription, might as well want to go ahead and subscribe because I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and the giveaway item are these Gucci sunglasses. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. Also, while you're at it, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that I can get to know you there as well as here. So let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I am comparing the extra small Keepall by Louis Vuitton with the Nano Speedy by Louis Vuitton. And I love both of these bags very much. They are super adorable in their own way. So I'm going to talk about the obvious differences and some little minor differences between the two bags as well. Both of these bags have been big hits by Louis Vuitton. This one I think was a hit starting in 2018, maybe 2019. Don't quote me. If you really know the year that this came out, comment down below. But I want to say it was 2018, and this handbag came out in 2021, and it was also a hit. Particular bag, this LV extra small Keepall, was particularly marketed to males. So this is on the men collection part of Louis Vuitton. So it wasn't really marketed to women, but women can also purchase men items. So yes. So the extra small Keepall comes in various different colorways, different canvases, well, Louis Vuitton canvases, but mainly in different Louis Vuitton monogram colorways. And there's different styles of them, which are really cute. There's like a complete navy blue watercolor one, then you have this one, then they have ones that's regular like monogram canvas with different like little accent pieces and things of that nature. This Nano Speedy, I'm just gonna place the extra small Keepall down for now. So the Nano Speedy, I have plenty of videos about this little bag. This is all Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, and it has vachetta handles, a non-removable, non-adjustable vachetta strap, and it also comes in gold hardware, and it is one main compartment. And it's lined with the coated fabric textile lining on the inside. This bag, I have a video on my channel already about all what fits inside of here, but we're gonna compare what fits all inside the extra small Keepall and all what fits in here, so you'll get to see that again. It is also piped in vachetta leather along the sides of the bag. And yeah, so again, it's just one main compartment. Mine was made in France. I love her to death. I've worn her once since I've gotten her. I really baby this bag. It's very sickening how much I baby it, but I really do love this bag. Now, because you all know from my latest videos how I've been obsessed with vintage Louis Vuitton, the canvas is not like how some of my vintage Louis Vuitton pieces are. The canvas is quite, in my opinion, low quality for the price that you pay. But that's neither here nor there. And we all love that slouchy, well, I love the slouchy Speedy bottom, but if you like a more structured bottom, you can put a bag organizer in here or a bag liner to keep the bag from being less slouchy. But I really love my Nano Speedy, and I will not trade it for the world. And yeah, so this is my Nano Speedy. I have an unboxing video. I'll link it in the cards above. I'm gonna also have a what fits in the bag video, and I'm gonna link that as well if it's not the same video. I filmed that video a while back. So the Nano Speedy, and it is smaller than the Keepall Extra Small. So to me, the Keepall Extra Small is a nice in between the Speedy BB, and they just came out with another smaller Speedy, if I'm not mistaken. But it's like another Nano Speedy. Like, it could be, yeah, this is size comparison. And the Extra Small Keepall is a little bit longer in length than the Nano Speedy, and the Nano Speedy has a little bit more height than the Keepall Extra Small. So with the Keepall Extra Small, obviously this is a men's collection item and it is marketed to guys, but again, handbags are unisex, so any handbag is marketed to anybody. This particular handbag has silver hardware. It's in this navy and white colorway. It has leather going down the middle. It has a giant LV right in the middle of the bag, and then it has the little flowers on the back, and then there are like gray monogram like symbols throughout the bag. I think my lighting might be, oh, there it picks it up. See the gray LV right here, the flowers right there, the flowers. So it's a really, really pretty bag. It's literally a work of art. Again, this is the watercolor collection, and it comes in different colorways, like I say, and patterns. So you can wear this bag as a top handle. It does come with removable straps, which are inside the bag. The bag is a navy blue lined bag, and my bag is made in France. It comes, like I said, with an adjustable, detachable navy leather strap, and it also comes with a shoulder pad as well. So yeah. And again, we already compared like the height and width. This bag is a little bit longer than the Nano Speedy, and the Nano Speedy is a little bit taller than the Extra Small Keepall handbag. So here's the silver hardware. The zipper does have Louis Vuitton on it, but that's the zipper track, and then the zipper has Louis Vuitton on it. It's super cute. And you can wear it as a top handle. One thing that I do like about the Nano Speedy versus the Extra Small Keepall, the Extra Small Keepall's handles are like very awkward per se, especially if it's being marketed to men. Men have bigger fingers and hands in general, and I just feel like the space in between the zipper track and the handle is quite awkward compared to the handle space between the zipper and the handle on the Nano Speedy. It's like the Nano Speedy has more like handle space. It's like this bag, like, okay, if you carry it by your hand, cool, but it's mainly made to be worn as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag versus like, oh, let me just carry this in my hand. Another thing is with the Nano Speedy, it has more space for you to put your bag on your wrist and kind of like carry it. If you're like in the store trying to do something, you can put it on your wrist and wear it like this. But for the Extra Small Keepall, that's kind of like a struggle. Like, you see how my hand doesn't fit through? Like, after eventually it does, but it took some effort to get my hand through and to even get it out. And you would think, because this bag is marketed again in the men's collection, you would think that the handle drops or the space in the handle would be a little bit longer or wider, just for guys who want to put like their hands through their bag and not want to carry it as a crossbody or a shoulder strap bag. But that's just my opinion. So right now I am currently carrying my multi-pochette. I am using my Organize My Bag Vachetta strap. I'm using it as a crossbody bag versus a shoulder bag, so this is great. I got this from Organize My Bag, like I said, and I will link their website in the description box down below. But inside of my mini pochette, I have some random things with me, so we're just gonna like put in the things that I have in my not mini pochette, my pochette accessoire. We're gonna see the things that I have in here can fit in my Nano Speedy and my Keep All, and I have some other little things that I would like to see will fit as well. So let's see what can all fit. So since I already have like a what fits in my bag with my Nano Speedy, we're gonna start out with the Keep All Extra Small. So I'm just gonna unzip it, and I'm gonna take out the leather strap. And the first thing we're gonna start out with is my cell phone. So I have an iPhone 10, the regular iPhone 10, not an iPhone 10 Plus, none of that. It's just the regular iPhone 10. And we're gonna place the iPhone 10 inside of the bag, and it fits perfectly. See? iPhone 10 right on in there, perfect. Next, I have my mini pochette that just is my Keep All bag. It has my AirPods, some gum, some Advil, candy, breath mints, perfume. It also has mascara in it as well. So it's just a regular Keep All that I just have keeping all of my items organized in my purse. So we're gonna put that in our Keep All, our extra small Keep All. So I'm gonna zip my phone up like that, and then we're gonna insert this, and that fits nicely as well. Next, I have some hand wipes that doesn't fit in my mini pochette, so we're just gonna insert the hand wipes. I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch. It's just acting as a wallet right now, so I have all of my credit cards, debit cards, license, all of that in there. So that's gonna easily fit in here, just like that. I also have some gum, Mamba gum. Wow. I also have some candy. It's some Mamba candy. So we're just going to insert this Mamba candy right inside of our bag like that. And we also have some hand sanitizer because we have to keep our hands clean as well. So we're just gonna insert the hand sanitizer in there. And so far it is pretty full. It's getting pretty packed. It has a nice little weight to it. And I want to try one more thing, and just like what I'm giving away to you all, I have a pair of Gucci sunglasses just like the pair that I am giving away. So make sure you enter into the giveaway so we can be twinning. I want to see if these sunglasses will fit inside of here. So I am just gonna place the sunglasses. It does not look like the sunglasses are gonna fit with everything that I have inside. But I wonder if I take out my mini pochette. If I take out the mini pochette and put in the sunglasses, yes, the sunglasses fit if you don't have a mini pochette. So you can put your sunglasses in your bag with the case. if you don't carry your mini pochette, and whatever you're carrying inside of your mini pochette and just letting it free for all in your bag, and then you can do that. But with me, I like my mini pochette, and so I'm not upset if my sunglass case can't fit in my bag. So we're gonna put that right in there, right back. So this is the inside of the bag with everything. So now you saw everything that fit inside of the extra small keep all. Let's go ahead and see what in this bag can transfer over into here. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna start out with my mini pochette. So the mini pochette fits. And then I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch with my cards, and that fits. We also have my iPhone 10 with case, and that fit right there, is right there, the black case right there. Then we also have some hand wipes. And that fit right on top, like that. And then we have the candy, and we're gonna sit that in there. And then we also have hand sanitizer, and we're gonna also sit that right in there too. And literally everything that was in this extra small keep all fits inside of this Nano Speedy. I have in one of my other videos showing what fits inside my Nano Speedy, I was able to fit a pair of sunglasses in there as well. The Nano Speedy is deceiving. It is tiny, but it packs a huge punch. And you just saw that everything that I placed inside of my extra small keep all also fit inside of the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, which is amazing. So as you can see, everything is in there, nice and compact, and we can still zip her up. There's no bulging, no nothing. And the Nano Speedy is literally the perfect handbag. Like, I still say, if you can get your hands on this bag, get your hands on it. If you can get your hands on this cutie or piece of art, get your hands on this little cutie, because it holds just as much as this cutie right here. If you enjoyed today's content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you love content like this. Also don't forget about the 500 subscriber giveaway. All of the entry details will be in the description box down below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.